someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take your night, but taking is all that I'll do, cause yeah, I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change.
Got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say.
you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me, shit to me. You ain't shit to me, shit to me. You denied everything.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You're so accepting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know. She's doing to me. I'm blossoming. 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 You know I was better off than a friend. My hopes, I used to hide them away. I'm thankful you opened up.
Just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. 'Cause